baby. I hope he gets the rest of the game stops, okay? What is this boy up to now? Man, you're trash at the game! You're so trash at the game! You know what? I'm gonna block you. I'm gonna block this dude.
What?
I'm gonna do. Don't
What are you blocking me for?
Because you're trash. You're trash at Fortnite.
No.
Yeah, I don't want to hear it. I don't give a crap. I'm gonna block this dude. Hurry up and shoot the person.
I am.
Hurry up and shoot the person.
I am. Can you shut up? Can you shut up and let me play? Make a tea. I came in to make one sip of tea.
Shut up.
Oh, wow. I'm showing that. Oh my goodness. Don't block me. Don't block me. You're blocked.
Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Hey, you can. You can. Yes. No. Chance. Come on. Yes. Let's go. Touchdown. I don't know where you think I said that, but this is not outside. This is inside the house. The rules is trying to say. And you're over here making the wrong noise. Play Fortnite. And this is what the first song. Sorry, man, you need to do something else. Sorry, Mama. Sorry. Keep it down. You wouldn't have to come in the morning. Eagles, this is the last round. Eagles, this is the last round. That's a foul. Oh, no, easy. We're about to win. Yeah! That's the finals. Screw your chase. Let's go. Screw your chase. Let's go. Come on. No, I'm done. Run.